What?
What are you boys doing?
We doing footprints. We're doing footprints, Daddy.
Noah, did you even put the boots on the right foot?
No.
I don't think you did, buddy. Alright, Noah, we have to fix your boots. They're on the wrong foot. Silly goose. Looks like Nathaniel got it right. Alright, Noah, I gotta fix your boots.
No.
Yeah, they're on the wrong foot. Handsome boy. You're gonna be... It might bend your foot a little bit. I don't know. Thankfully, it doesn't have much of a curve. But I can still tell it's on the wrong foot. Silly goose. Nothing cute. Alright, you guys ready? On to the next one.